Yeah.
We were watching Three Idiots. We were 17 years old. So everybody already knows the joke I'm going to make. Okay, let's go.
Were you ever asked to be a good girl?
I got asked that 2 months ago and I got my 6th tattoo.
We've been told that we've been cast because we're highly unattractive.
Someone is using words like ugly for you. What does that do to your self-image and self-worth?
I think it distorts it completely. You live in a society in which little girls are told you get love when you look nice.
Most of our cuss words, lean towards women getting abused most of the time.
Yes,
Because
yes.
it's not a proper gali unless there's a behen or a mother.
The moment a woman turns 30, you are immediately saying, हाँ उसको बहन का वो मम्मी जी का role,
Bhabhi ji ka role.
भाभी जी का role.
I feel like if we were both a little bit more sexist, we would be a little bit more employed.
Yeah.
This year, and we say this line every year.
This year is going to be your year.
Every year we've been saying this for the past 9 years. Not 1 year has it been our year.
Okay, so two best friends on the Good Girls show today, Sabha and Shreya. So cute. Hi.
Very millennial house.
It's very,
Hi, good girls.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
It's calling us good girls. Okay,
No.
we're starting with that.
Yeah,
All right.
I didn't know how to respond, but hi.
How have you been? How have you both been?
Fabulous, darling. My God, I feel like standing up and showing people. Listen,
Amazing.
This is very rare. Sabha can verify. I have dressed up today. Hello. I have dressed up. This is very rare. I will stand up for
This
you.
is absolutely true, and you'll testify for me that this is a rare occasion.
This is also a very rare occasion. So everything that's happening on this couch is very rare.
Rare.
Also, excuse me, Sabha Azad and Shreya Mantri together. Guys, oh my God.
Okay, so this is the Good Girls show where we talk about being good girls or being asked to be a good girl. Before we get into the conversation and hum baatein start kare, we have a report card right in front.
Hmm.
This is the Good Girls report card.
I don't want to talk about it, but I have gotten flawless report cards. Excuse me.
Yeah. When yeah.
So
this I 100% know. to
the
be
first
true.
part is you've been called, right? Because बचपन से हमें कुछ ऐसे words हमसे कहे जाते हैं that sort of become a sense of identity. So what have you been called?
I've been called loud, which I think a lot of people are agreeing with you, with me right now. Bold, sarcastic, talkative.
I've been called bold, a girl's girl, sensitive, rebel, opinionated, brave, and yes, too much.
Oh yeah, okay. She actually
much
has
also?
marked a few. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
gotten everything. Huh? I've been
Yeah.
called girl's girl, dramatic, sensitive, bossy, brave, opinionated, rebel, too much, and all of the above.
I think sarcastic as well. Let's be honest.
So tell me, वो इसमें से वो कौन सा एक word है that really stuck with you while growing up and you didn't really like it or you had to make peace with people calling you that?
I don't mind
I
any
didn't
of this.
mind any of it, but
Yeah.
this actually I don't like. I don't like too
Too
much.
much.
When have people called you too much?
I think when
Last week.
just right now before getting here. No, I think it's when I'm sorry, I'm going to speak for most women here. It's when you ask for what you want and unapologetically ask for what you want. You will be told this is too much, and when you stop taking shit, the moment women stop taking shit, they become too much.
That's true.
Yeah.
There's one more section on this, which is the remarks section. So a remark that used to be on your report card. Let's start with that.
Unfortunately, my report cards are not here. Otherwise, I would have taken a picture and shown you could have matched it.
Excellent, most excellent, genius child.
I'm not going to say that.
Yeah.
So Sabha, what are you writing?
Great potential, can do better.
I hope I got the spelling right. I'd be
A very-
embarrassed.
Show me, please.
This is correct, no?
Oh,
Conscientious.
conscientious.
Yeah. This is the exact word a teacher used in my first card report. And I'm like, I didn't even know what she meant.
हाँ मतलब I
But
still
she's
don't know
right.
what this means, but a very
Conscientious, like a child with a conscience.
अच्छा.
Kind of makes the effort and very careful.
Like a
Okay.
good civic.
That's right.
So you were a
sense.
good girl in school or
Yes,
as a
very
Oh,
little
no, I'm a
girl?
huge hit with parents and teachers. Yeah, A
She's
plus,
definitely
ek
good.
number, ekdam. I've never gotten below 95% in my life.
It is true.
It's true.
And then on the other
She's
side
like,
is
and
a
then what
remark.
happened? What happened
No.
after that? क्या हुआ आपको? इतने बिगड़ क्यों गए?
And then on the other side is a remark that you wished there was on your report card.
Actually, my report cards are great. All the remarks that any, student, parent, teacher wanted to give, wish, and I've had all of those. But something that I did wish for is when I was a kid, I wish I had friends outside of the arts. I didn't have. All the kids actually found me very weird and strange.
Why do you think?
Because I genuinely liked learning. I genuinely was curious about the world. So I was a very weird kid, and I remember wanting friends. I remember wanting. So that's why my friends became stories and on film and in books and music. They're still my longest friends. But at that time, I'd wished for outside of.
I wish the remark they had put was about the things that I was really good at. That she's kind, and she's talented, and she's good at music. You know, she's good at theater, and she's hella intelligent. And look, she quizzes. And I was in the quiz team in the older thing as well. And she's a good friend. But it was always, oh, studies, nahi, you know, she doesn't care much for it. So yeah, can do better.
Yeah, she does very well at my Thursday quizzes. Just saying.
I'm obsessed with your Thursday quiz.
Did you try to fit in जब आपके कोई दोस्त नहीं बन रहे थे?
Okay, so this is very strange. It's a very interesting question, and I think her answer is also very like it's matching to mine in the sense that I accepted that I won't have friends rather than changing myself. I felt sad about it. I remember this very clearly because the first time I realized that I was not very good looking, you know the story, is what my first news spreads in school like wildfire, right? So my first boyfriend was the most popular kid in school, in the country, because he was like a national level athlete and competed in Gulf meets. I told you about this. And so when they found out that he had asked me out, some 25 girls came to my class to see who this girl is. And one after the other, when they saw me, they said various versions of, oh my God, her? Oh my God, is
sounds
he
so
blind?
familiar.
Oh my God, she's so ugly.
This sounds really familiar. This sounds very familiar.
No, but people said that, and that's the first time it occurred to me. I'm like, okay, I'm not very good looking, is it? I didn't know. And then I cried and I accepted it. And I didn't want to, I don't know.
And now you've gotten over it, knowing that it's not the truth. Because you're
there
fucking
are
gorgeous.
days. No, there are days. Today's accepted day. There are days. I remember another, like this other boy. Okay, I just have to stop mentioning boyfriends. Mom, dad, look away. So there's this other boyfriend.
They know you've had boyfriends. Mom,
Yeah,
dad,
No,
yeah,
they know
like parents
who these
know-
people are also.
Huh.
No, so another boyfriend was like, oh, because some of these guys were like ragging him and saying, so cool, yeah, you get to be with like a model and she's like an actor, so cool. And he's like, रुको, आपके लिए मॉडल होगी, मेरे लिए घर में बंटी है. Because I dress like Bunty, talk like Bunty or whatever. And he's like, ये क्या है यार, please, इज्जत, इज्जत बचाओ.
Bunty.
Yeah, but what does it do to you जब आपको बचपन में जब आप इतने छोटे हो and उस टाइम पर someone is using words like ugly for you? What does that do to your self-image and self-worth?
I think it distorts it completely. I
Fully.
think I had a level of body dysmorphia that I can't. Yeah, I to the extent that up till very recently, up to like 5-6 years ago, I'd go out very rarely. My business is to be in clubs on weekends. I'm a musician, you know, so I'd be so disconnected with what I actually visually look like. Sometimes I go to the bathroom to see and be like, oh, you're not mortifyingly disgusting. And sometimes I'd lock myself in the bathroom and not go anywhere. Like I'd go out and just go sit in the bathroom the whole time I was out. Because there was so much like, you know, diminishing of the self. It ruins you. It ruins you. Also because immediately women, the value that's placed in women is entirely visual, right?
Yeah, good point.
You live in a society in which little girls are told from the get-go that your value lies in, you look at a little boy and say, oh, so strong. You turn to a little girl and say, so pretty,
so pretty,
so
absolutely
cute,
correct, yeah.
your hair is so nice.
What
So
a
what are you
lovely
telling?
dress.
What a lovely dress. What are you telling that girl? You get love when you look nice. And what are you telling the boy? You get love when you're intelligent, when you're strong,
When you do things.
when you do things. So there's a marked difference with how we bring up our children, you know.
So tell me, what kind of a family did you really grow up in? Like, were you ever asked to be a good girl growing up?
No.
I got asked that 2 months ago when I got my 6th tattoo. My dad is like, beta, abhi bas karo, bahut ho gaya.
No, but Shreya would not be asked to be a good girl because Shreya was very much a good girl.
I was.
She's very much an ace student, very much a model child and daughter. So I don't think Shreya would have been asked to be a good girl.
No, but in terms of our like opinions and the way we live life, we very much aren't.
Yeah, but I think we also come from families where our opinions weren't
That's
asked.
true,
Yeah.
actually,
Our
that's
parents
true.
were like,
Yeah.
scream louder, child.
Yeah, that's
Speak
Wow.
loud. Yes, speak louder.
We were encouraged.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the same thing that Sabha was talking about when you asked about the question about being unattractive, of how it affects your psyche. It's the same thing with my parents, because they said the same thing that her parents told her in two completely different countries. This was Delhi, mine was in Dubai or whatever. But I overcompensated because my parents were like, this is going to fade at some point. This is not going to matter. So you make sure this and this is strong. So I overcompensated. So that's why I think I focused all the more in being like the personality should be shining. That's why we crack inappropriate jokes. That's why the humor is always on point. That's why we're like, well read.
We're always the fool in the room.
Trying to do too much.
Very much so.
Yeah.
Overcompensation max. But we were allowed, again, going back to your question.
Yeah, not at home.
Yeah, they allowed us to be, which I think is the biggest blessing a child can get.
But what was your understanding of a good girl? Kaun hoti hai ek good girl? According to the societal definitions.
Oh, so someone who falls into line. Someone who falls into line and
Who's in too much, who doesn't occupy space.
Yeah, doesn't occupy
Invisible.
space. Yes.
Invisible, deaf, dumb, and blind. Perfect moment.
Convenient, invisible, falls into line,
And deaf, dumb, and blind.
and adheres to society's patriarchal norms and ideas.
All the, Gandhiji ke 3 bandar encapsulated in one body, preferably female body with big butts, big butt, big boobs.
Yes. कुछ
fair
नहीं
skin,
दिखता, कुछ सुनाई नहीं
preferably.
देता. Yes, tall, thin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tall, no.
Demure,
No, not
demure.
tall. Yeah. All right. Not tall, because that's another problem.
Yeah, tall is a big
my
problem.
God.
Demure
Yeah.
is very important.
All these, 3
Yeah.
bandar in one
Soft-spoken,
person.
kind.
Very demure, very mindful.
Yeah, very mindful.
Oh, dear Lord.
Shreya is cringing.
कर दी ना जल्दी वाली बात.
Shreya is cringing so hard.
I'm
It is.
millennial है. कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
But you're right कि बहुत बार, so this was the thing with me, right? My parents never really asked me to be a certain way. They were always like, जो करना है करो. But there is this subliminal messaging around.
Yeah.
Okay, which kind of like messes with our head. There were moments or there were things that I would do where I would feel like, okay, I think I will be a bad girl if I do this. What were those moments or those things for you?
So we come from a country that is very embarrassed of
Women, yes.
women, of course, but also like sex and sexuality.
और
I
बहुत
think-
दूर चले गए.
I think, yeah, no, I'm just, she
Correct.
said that when was the first time that you questioned yourself as a good girl. So I think the awakening of teenage sexuality is always wrought with a lot of shame, and it is never like spoken about with absolute liberty. It's not spoken about in freedom. It's not spoken about in health. And also, perhaps that is the first thing I could not sit with my parents and talk about. And they're such progressive people.
You're right.
That's the thing where I had doubt. Can I talk to my parents about this? Can I talk about how I'm feeling? I find this boy attractive, and is that okay? And to be honest, my parents allowed my boyfriends to come over and hang out, but I could never have that free dialogue, But I don't know whether it was me or it was them. But there was definitely that period where I was like, does this make me a bad girl? Does this make me, now do I qualify as a bad girl? Am I no longer like,
Actually, that's very
Yeah.
true.
yeah.
So, guys, if you want any esoteric, pertinent points of the show, she's going to be bringing them up. I'm clearly here for vibes and humor and jokes, because this is actually very true and very valid. I'm so glad you brought up the sexuality.
Yeah, but I
It
feel like we
is.
don't talk about it enough.
हाँ मतलब अच्छी लड़कियां थोड़ी ना बात करती है सेक्स के बारे
Yeah,
में.
nobody says कि अच्छी
No,
लड़कियों
not
को
just
बात
that.
करनी चाहिए.
No, not
Bilkul.
just that. Just imagine like when we hit puberty and we actually started having breasts.
Yes.
I was 12.
Yeah,
11,
about. Yeah,
12,
and so
yeah.
it was like a
But
matter.
suddenly, like older men are looking at you, and I'm 12. And the problem is, when I was 12, I was this tall. So people assume that I was older than I was, and I was 12 years old. That's the age where most of us get assaulted and harassed. And that's the age. Same thing happened to me. The same thing happened to a lot of people as
A
well.
lot of people.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So that is the age when it roughly happens, but we're just 12, 13, 11. Because like if somebody would come to the house and like, "Hey, ठीक से बैठो, क्या कर रहे हो? I mean, adjust this, that is showing this." But I mean,
Yeah.
isn't it on that person? I'm a child. Why should I have to adjust my bra strap or my clothes or the way I'm sitting because an uncle or like someone else is
And
coming
he's
in?
walking in one lungi.
Yeah.
and-
Yeah, and
And
of course his
scratching.
eyes are going everywhere, and like he's not being told. Like same thing.
They're
no, कि
adjusting chaddis
हम
and
अपनी लड़कियों
scratching
को
their
बोलेंगे
groins.
कि घर पे आके बैठ जाओ 7 बजे के बाद घर बाहर नहीं जाना है, पर जो लड़के हैं जिनसे लड़कियों को डेंजर है, उनको नहीं बोलेंगे बेटा तुम घर पे बैठो क्योंकि तुम्हारी आंखें खराब है और क्योंकि तुम्हारी नीयत खराब है. Ulta, no? We don't say that girls go roam free at night because the men are locked up at home and everything will be safe now.
That's true.
Because the only danger women ever face are from men.
The only danger the men face are also from men.
Exactly. Only danger men also face are from men only.
Yeah.
I remember my father used to send me off for mountaineering every year. Okay, so I used to go for like treks, glacial trekking and all. He's a mountaineer in his day. So he was like, my kids are going to learn rock climbing. We're going to go whatever. So every summer, my brother and I were packed off for like a 15-day trek to like Harkidoon, Pindari Glacier, whatever. And I remember at that point, this whole shaming that you're talking to boys. The shaming behind that, oh, she talks to boys. So there were a couple of students from like ex-students who had also carried on. So the teachers were they pulled us out and said, you were talking to boys.
Huh?
You are ruining our girls. And I remember being like, sorry? What do you mean? Yes, I was talking to my friends. These are my buddies. And I'm talking to them. Yes, it's healthy interaction between men and women. And I remember we were pulled out and we were punished for it. There were two other girls who were seniors and we were punished for it. We were called out and made to feel like filthy, dirty women for talking to boys. Just talking to boys.
I remember हमारी कोई एक outing थी and I was playing badminton with a guy. And after we played badminton, I just held his hand and I was like, चल अंदर चलते हैं. I was slut shamed like how? That
For holding someone's
for
hand.
just holding that guy's hand. So tell me, here's a question for you. Have you ever felt that your self-worth has come down? Your self-image has come down? Or someone has made you feel like that?
Yeah, man. But unfortunately, again, I hate to say this because this is the one place that I love. But the people who are in this industry are the ones who made me feel really shitty about myself. Because no matter what I do, it doesn't seem to be good enough.
So I think this is a standing joke between Shrey and I. We have debuted so many times.
Oh, this is what I tell her. Oh, this is true. This is the joke. Because every time I do something, oh, breakout star scam, breakout star family man, breakout monologue group of it. I'm like, yeah, how many times will I break out?
Oh, yeah. Now established star.
Right.
No, it's just like earlier they used to say like, shit, yeah, you come off very like, sweet, proper, like girl next door, or someone you can take to your house. I'm like, I'm not someone you can take to your house. Hello. And then I started like doing Nangupungu pictures on Instagram. Because I'm like, hello, मैं hot है, मैं जवान है, मैं दिखाएगा, whatever, right?
Yeah.
And then I started getting, listen, yeah, this one's too, like, it's too sexy, it's too alluring.
No matter what
We
a
need
woman
a
does,
girl next door.
there are going to be
Oh my
1,000 people who
God.
have an opinion on it.
And then I'm
just do what you want to do.
Exactly.
Just
Because when I was like this, they wanted this. When I did this and said, okay, this. They're like, no, we want this. So I feel like people will have some, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, उनका काम है कहना, तो you should, do whatever the hell you want.
Exactly.
What is your answer for that?
No,
When
that-
did you feel like your self-worth was questioned?
I think, but in this industry, I think you have to have rhino skin. And like what I was saying about, like I've debuted so many times, like, I've had to start from scratch, did my first film, got great reviews. Then I had to start from scratch. Did my second film, became a cult like hit with college kids. I had to start from scratch again. So it was, every time, and I'd get great reviews and I'd be like, yeah, so the reviews are great. The film did well.
Or a phenomenal show.
Yeah.
Plug it
Yeah,
in.
or Ladies' Room did well. And then, and work is happening and, everything's fine. But it's every time it's like I have to reprove my worth. We've had some really interesting experiences together about the act of being ugly, where
Yeah.
I'm not going to take names, but I think it's a good time to talk about it. don't you?
Please do.
I think where we've been in like meetings sometimes where we've been told that we've been cast because we're highly unattractive. We've been cast. Just letting you know, you do know that you've been cast because you're unattractive. And
Really?
Yeah, we got all this ones.
yeah, and then Shreya's hitting me under the table. But yeah, I mean, yeah.
So up until now, these things happen. And thank you for firstly mentioning that, and thank you for bringing casting calls, because there was a point when I just came to Bombay. Okay, उस सपने के साथ कि have to be in front of the camera and कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है. I thought कि चलो try करते हैं. The casting calls that would come, looking for an upmarket, good-looking girl.
Please add fair to the mix.
Fair.
Yes. Upmarket का मतलब ही
Fair, upmarket, good-looking. And thin was one.
Yeah.
So, do these casting calls still come? And I'm sure when you guys started out, ये आते थे ऐसे ही casting calls आते थे तब भी. How did you guys like really deal with all this? I just snapped back. I was like, this is not the way I will be able to go.
We're still dealing with it. There's a reason why you haven't seen Sabha and I on screen as much as we would like to be. I'm putting it very bluntly.
Yeah.
It's still happening, and it happens, and it's not just us. There are a lot of talented actresses out there, actors out there, who would who we all love and who would
We like to
love
see
be on
much
screen-
more of.
on
Yeah,
screen.
yeah.
And not a lot of us are getting opportunities
It is-
because of that
yeah.
very reason. And I feel like there's a certain, again, without pointing fingers or saying anything, but there's a certain type of beauty that's being celebrated right now, and that beauty is very homogenous. People have started looking alike because there's a certain template that everybody is following, and uniqueness and individuality is not being celebrated as much. And I think our art is suffering because of that, as a direct consequence. Because I remember when we were younger, we had, I mean, not saying that these women aren't gorgeous, they're stunning. But then, say, a Raveena Tandon looked completely different from Madhuri Dixit, looked completely different from Juhi Chawla, looked completely different from
Smita Patil.
Smita Patil, who looked different from
Shabana
Shabana
Azmi.
Azmi, exactly,
Yeah.
from Ratna Pathak. There's
Yeah.
no, I'm just saying there's a group or like a generation of women who look different, who were celebrated for looking different, and we all loved them.
Do you
I mean,
remember like
Kajol
even-
famously has a unibrow crying out loud.
Yeah, but also like, do you remember body types like
Yeah.
back when
Correct.
in the 60s, the 50s? My
Oh,
God, they
even
had
80s,
their
yeah.
hips and they were like beautiful, like
No,
sometimes
even 80s and
voluptuous
90s as
women.
well.
You
They
know,
were all voluptuous. You're
yeah,
right.
it was amazing, and I think all sorts were celebrated at some point. But I feel like there is okay. So I'm not going to say there's no diversity, but like what you said about casting calls, they say very much exist. They very much do exist, and they're still very similar to what they need to be. The language is a little polished now.
Yeah.
I was always told you look different. Different was a polite way of saying that you're not attractive enough, and I internalized that as that you are not attractive enough. For me, it meant that different means not good enough. Different is just a polite way of saying that, yeah, we've found someone better looking,
Yeah.
better looking who's not necessarily a better actor. And that's and when the final call happens and when the casting happens and you look at that and you know this person's not been cast for their acting abilities and they've been cast for other reasons, and then you're just like, so yeah, so I mean, I think you question yourself. But I think the other thing it's done is that by default it's given me rhino skin. Honestly, now everything is a bonus for me. In life, I have
Actually, have we
yeah,
did
like
talk
we
about
talk about
this.
this. Like I have such, my expectations are so like I do something and then like she said, I forget about it. Kiya, bhul gaye. If
Like,
something comes
yeah,
out,
it's a very thing,
amazing.
right?
If it doesn't, life is still great.
We're at this point where people are talking about, glass is half full and glass half empty. We're glad there's a glass. I'm like, अरे यार, glass तो है. हाँ, पानी है.
Abhi half
Forget
है, you're
about
full.
half full, half empty. I'm just happy there's a glass
Right.
to that end.
Yeah.
But I feel that we are still having to call out sexism.
That'll be never ending.
Yeah, we are still having. Like I remember, कुछ दिन पहले you called out an uncle on your Instagram story who somehow mentioned that अब आपको काम करने की क्या जरूरत
Yes,
है.
of course.
So, and you are probably having to do this on a daily basis, Sabha. How do you deal with this? How are you dealing with this?
So I'm not having to do this on a daily basis. Like, jinko bolna hai, there's all sorts of people in the world with all sorts of depraved opinions about your life. They are not living my life. You want to have an opinion about me? Go ahead. It doesn't touch me. Go ahead. In the beginning, it did, and then I was just like, a switch tripped, and that was it.
Yeah. In what ways have you called out sexism, Shreya?
Huh? What?
Yeah.
What?
Give us a list.
Called out second.
Give us a list.
And when was the last time you did it?
I don't know. I feel like I regularly call it out, but I think both of us do this a lot actually on our socials. We're not very quiet, and we've been punished for it
Yeah.
several times. Apart from the other lifestyle habits or choices that I don't do, like I don't drink and I don't smoke, I also don't swear. You know this.
This
I
I
don't
know.
swear.
Yeah.
Mainly because most of our swear words and our cuss words, and I have a point, believe me, I'm not randomly talking about myself. Most of our cuss words lean towards women getting abused most of the time.
Yes.
Because it's not a proper gali unless there's a behen or a mother
Yes.
or
Yes.
any like woman and body parts involved. So
Yeah.
I don't like it. That's also because I feel like everything lends itself to designating women as objects.
Mm-hmm.
Because if a guy has like a sexy car, oh, she's so beautiful. Or if the bike is so sexy, oh my god, look
Oh,
at that
yeah.
sexy bike. What a beautiful bike she is.
Yeah.
We do it so subliminally in the way we speak with the BC, with the MC, with the C words and all of that. Everything is with a woman.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. I mean, I'm not that I'm contributing to a great change in society by not using these words or whatever, but it makes me very angry. And it's not that I want to equalize the situation by introducing father brother. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
But it's just that, why only one particular gender has to be like systematically subjected to being called as an object, even out of love.
Mm-hmm.
Even out of love. Why? I'd like to think that I haven't pushed any sort of a sexist agenda.
You
by
haven't.
saying no or yes.
You haven't.
Yeah, like
I think
you
the
mentioned.
projects she's chosen have definitely been mindful.
Which also speaks to my severe unemployment.
Yours and mine both.
Yeah.
Honey.
I feel like if we were both a little bit more sexist, we would be, a little bit more unemployed.
Yeah.
Is that your go-to dance move?
See, it makes people laugh at what.
It does. It does.
So being too tall is a problem.
I am not too tall.
Shreya's not too tall.
I am not too
I'm
tall.
saying
I'm
when-
perfectly tall.
I want to be too tall.
I wish I was too tall.
Yeah,
You
she's
know?
I want
But
to
I'm
be 6
saying,
feet.
but I'm saying,
Shreya is the perfect height. Just perfect
yeah,
specimen.
जैसे मुझे ना याद है ये ऋषि कपूर जीनत so मुझे याद है ये reading about this that Rishi Kapoor and Zeenat Aman were working on a film together. ठीक है और कोई भी एक ऐसा सीन शूट नहीं किया गया जहां पर ऋषि कपूर और जीनत अमान को साथ में रखा गया in frame.
Because of
The height difference.
What film is this?
I'm forgetting the
Not
name
Amar
of
Akbar
the
Anthony. That was Parveen Babi.
Yeah.
I always
but
confuse
I'm
them.
forgetting about this, but I remember reading this. And Zeenat Aman herself, I think, mentioned in an interview.
Mhm.
So I'm like, is this still happening?
It is, yeah, because
Yes,
all
very
the
much.
guys are still wearing lifts, right?
Yes,
Deepika Padukone is really tall. Anushka Sharma is really tall. Sonam Kapoor is really tall. Katrina Kaif really tall. Kriti Sanon really tall.
Yeah.
Every actor they've worked almost. Sorry for people are getting offended already. Most like some of the actors that they've worked with are like 5'6", 5'5", 5'6", 5'7".
Yes.
And all of these women are 5'8" plus. You can't tell because they're all wearing lifts or it's been like manipulated. And they can't, I don't think they're comfortable with ever being, I don't know, I think they find it, their masculinity is being lulcard.
Lalkar. The only word you're going to get with Shrek. Lalkar.
Lalcard.
Lalkar. It's true. It
Yeah.
is true.
It fits the sentiment.
That's right. मतलब ऐसी क्या शर्म है यार कि आप
See, that's why I find Tom Cruise really hot because he's always dated like really tall women.
Who?
Tom
Tom Cruise.
And he's very okay with them being 5'11" and him being 5'6".
Yeah.
He's like, listen,
He's
guys, I'm
comfortable.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah, he's comfortable in his skin.
Yeah, but not a lot of our dudes are. I don't think so.
And a lot of dudes everywhere all over the world are the same.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
And our dudes refuse to age also because the girls are getting younger, the guys are still the
Arey
same.
yaar, our 50-year-old dudes are playing college students and girls turn 30 and they're grandmothers.
Oh, I
Let's
have
just
to
talk
tell
about
you
that,
this.
no?
It's so funny.
Let's
because
just
we
talk
were,
about it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We were watching Three Idiots. We were 17 years old. So everybody already knows the joke I'm going to make. Okay, let's go with it.
No, I don't know.
So,
But
okay,
go.
so even she knows. But we were 17 years old when we were watching Three Idiots in the theater, and the people who are in the film are supposed to be our age.
Huh.
Like first year students, right? That's my joke. बाकी सब आप समझ लेना.
That is
Yeah, but I
true.
love that suspension of disbelief for women as well. You know?
Of course.
I love that.
Huh.
I love that, because as an actor,
Say it again.
yeah,
Say it again. I love
I
that. Say
love
it.
that suspension of disbelief for women as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Amen.
Because let's just say that as an actor, this is your canvas. This is my canvas. Okay. Now, when it comes to a man, there's no age limit for that canvas. Now, if you look young, you can play however young.
Right.
The moment a woman turns 30, there's suddenly an expiration date attached to her. And now she may look like she's 20, she may look like she's 19.
Doesn't matter.
You know, it doesn't matter. You are immediately saying, हाँ उसको बहन का मम्मी जी का role,
Bhabhi ji ka role.
भाभी जी का role. Next it'll be grandmother.
Villain.
Grandmother or villain. Or the boss who's
The
very
boss.
strict
Yeah,
and got a very
And
deep
sexually-
voice and sexually
like-
charged.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Yeah, for some reason.
Etraf.
voice
Make
is
love to me like an
this.
animal. I'll never forget that line. Sorry, guys. I like all of you, but it's just funny.
No, but I'm just saying that the disparity is huge. It is just huge. It's like,
She was very young though.
and it's almost embarrassing.
It is.
And
Yeah,
I
but it's
think
just-
I think most of the male actors hide their age also.
Arey, so do we. But then people ask, Arey, why are you guys so sensitive?
No,
I'm like, because you make it.
The moment you ask the same question to men, the moment you put the same standards on men, all women across the board, I promise you, will stop doing that. You think people like hiding their age? You're just trying to save their careers.
Yeah.
Let's just talk about how much we shame women for and how much ageism exists in this industry. I'm sorry.
You should be uncomfortable that a 50-year-old man is romancing a 25-year-old woman.
I am sorry. That is
You should be ashamed.
That-
It shouldn't be
yeah.
a problem only when Aishwarya Rai is paired opposite Ranbir. It should be a problem when everything else is happening as well. And that's also very reflective of society, yeah? Because then society also, like she said, women are automatically looked at with like a expiration date when it comes to age.
And exactly this is the reason why when I was turning 30, I was freaking out. I was because there is this thing around कि यार कि मैं अगर 30 साल की हो जाऊंगी तो फिर मतलब I have not made it in life yet. And अब तो भाई मुझे कुछ और काम मिलेगा ही नहीं. Did you feel that pressure when you were turning 30 or post 30? Never.
I
know.
did. A little bit I did, yes. I did. Because of, again, like you said, there's a lot of pressure by people doing things within a certain time. And also I felt like a lot of my peers, a lot of my friends who are not in the industry, because I have a lot of friends who are scattered around the world because I grew up in the Middle East. All of their lives I felt like were moving. Maybe they were not in a direction that I particularly wanted, because some of them were getting married, some of them wanted to have kids. Those were not goals of mine, but they still felt like they were moving. It felt like a moving vehicle, whereas I felt like I was stuck in quicksand. Like either I'm sinking and then I'm putting my head above water, right? I'm barely swimming. So I just felt like I'm moving vertically. I'm not making any distance, because like she said earlier to another question, we're constantly breaking out. We're constantly having to
restart.
Start
From scratch.
because you're only as good as your last gig, and your last gig was God knows how long ago. And if it's seen, it should be seen in a certain way. If it's not seen, that's another headache. Then you have to. There's so many moving parts that I felt like I was stuck. I still do to a certain level. And the aging thing doesn't help because nobody else makes you feel okay about it.
In the back of my head, as far as acting goes, of course I was thinking that, oh, good, does this mean my work is going to dry up? Am I not going to get? But already I was like, it's not like I'm covered in work.
Same way.
So like anyway, I'm not covered in work. Even when I was like a child, like a teen, even then it's not like I was covered in it. So I'm like, ठीक है, जितना मिल रहा है, उतना अभी भी मिल रहा है, चलो ठीक है. Life is going.
But both of you are saying this कि you're making jokes about काम तो है ही नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि हम. But really, do you not sit and यार
Cry?
Yes,
I
yeah.
do. Very much so.
Just yesterday, I was like, Shrey, it's been a while, huh?
Oh, I had to make a mini breakdown last week. Then I had one last year. But it does, yeah, it really does. Because there are not it's not lack of quantity, because there
I
are,
think it's lack of
hey.
imagination.
but it's lack of quality. It really is.
Imagination,
There's not
correct.
that much.
Someone else
And the
is
things that I've wanted, the very few things that I've actually wanted and gone after have also somehow not come to me, because then because there were such nice parts, they were inevitably gone to the people who look nice. So
Not
Look
nice. You
nice,
don't look
Shreya.
nicer, Shreya.
you
You
know
just
what
have
I
more
mean.
followers.
You know what I mean.
Oh my god, this
They don't look
follower
nicer.
thing has become another added pressure for actors, I feel. Like
No, that we never had attention. We didn't
Hmm.
care about it.
I
ever.
think that we've not cared. about
Never
that.
cared, never cared. Plus, my Nangu Punguness helps, so I got the followers. So system तो समझ में आ गया भाव. But
Nangu Pangunas.
yeah, no, I don't think that. No.
what is the most stupidest thing you've said to? So you've said no to. Like what has been like the reason? Like,
Okay, I will say this as politely as I can because immediately something came to my head. Because the title of the show that they offered me had a bra size in it.
Wow.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
कि कौन है लोग जो बना रहे हैं ये सब?
Wow.
Yeah.
क्यों
I will
है
tell
ये?
you what the title is after it. You'll have a
Yeah.
nice laugh.
Wow, mine's a very similar one too. Mine was so casting director, well-wishing casting director asked me to do you know the film multiple hero type films,
Uh-huh.
you know, with kind of very on the nose vulgar.
Yeah, the
with
full-
like kind of subliminal messaging is always kind of, you know, but they're super hits and these
The
films.
fools.
Just be quiet, Shri. No,
She's
it
trying to
doesn't-
protect me, girl.
no, because it wasn't the Fools. It was something else.
Okay.
But and
The
so
Mals.
yeah, she doesn't. Never mind. Anyway, but yeah, so anyway, so one of those
Huh.
came to me, and then
Okay.
I was just like, please look at me. Please look at Exhibit A. What do you think in this brain and this
Please,
person
यार,
is going
रॉक चांडू से एकदम रॉक चिक. क्या बोल रहा है? एक नंबर
to...
item.
She should have been the person writing all the stories and directing all my stories too. But yeah, so that came once, and what I couldn't believe was, forget it, you know, someone has sent that, will she be interested?
Hmm.
I said, casting director, I was surprised at. I was like, you know me for years. You know me for years. Really? You think I do that? Tits out, ass out?
Hmm.
You
Yeah.
must. I would enjoy it very much.
You would. Yes, you would. Would I?
The Nangu Punguness, as she says.
Yes. Audience needs this. Come on. Give it to us. We want.
So let me ask you this: what is that one female trope that you would like to see in a film or a show?
I like a woman to be able to fail.
Yes.
No,
To
off
be
screen and
deeply
on screen.
flawed and still be interesting.
Just the
I get
ability to make mistakes on and off screen.
yeah.
And not the clumsy Manny Pixie dream girl nonsense. but
Honestly, I'd love to see deeply flawed characters that could be central and not become the bad girl.
and the
just
bad
be-
not defined by
just be-
sex and smoking and drinking.
Yeah, just be the girl.
Because that's the another.
You know?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
मतलब if you want to, if they want to
बिगड़ी
show
हुई बच्ची है,
बिगड़ी
she's
हुई
smoking,
बच्ची,
swearing,
she's smoking
and
and
she's
drinking.
having sex and she's
नहीं,
drinking.
एक ये चीज हो गई है, इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन को दिखाने का तरीका वो हो
It's
गया
just-
है.
Yes.
If you're independent, you're smoking.
Yeah,
Like, she's a professional, but she's smoking outside and having a conversation with her. Like, you know.
like I am
And she's open about,
independent
like, sex,
and
sleeping with
ये
everything.
दिखाओ ना कि मुझे हर महीने रेंट लाने में कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है. I
वो
fail
थोड़ी-
so
वो
many
कहानी थोड़ी
times.
बताएंगे हम.
But independent है तो स्मोक कर रही
Yeah,
है.
because even with rent, people are looking at that cigarette. Hey, shit, yeah, 10 rupees, I can't do this.
Exactly.
Let's finally talk about this friendship.
Oh, I thought I was already like.
We were, but like I want to,
Parents.
I want to ask कि इस friendship की शुरुआत कब हुई, कहाँ से हुई?
Oh,
Ooh.
that is
Okay,
because of actually full credit to Yash Raj Films.
Yash
Ladies
Raj
Room.
Films, YRF.
Love
thank
at first
you.
sight.
It was immediate love.
Really.
In these 9 years, what is the most special thing Sabha has done for you? And what is the most special thing Shreya has done for
She's
you?
always there. Like I literally like, and very often we're the last people to go to bed also. We're up late at
That's
night.
true, yeah.
So like sometimes I'm messaging late at night, and she's been a shoulder to lean on. She's lent me her ear whenever I wanted to talk about anything. And there's 100% understanding. You know, where you know exactly, because our journeys are kind of, you know, we're on the same path, we're doing in the same career, we're doing, you know, and our opinions about life and our worldviews match so
Other
much.
people's opinions about us are also the same.
Exactly the
That's
same.
right.
Yeah. Like, these women.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same to same. And yeah, so I think there's a absolute understanding where I know if I say something, anything, Shrey will get it. And
Mm.
she has always been there, no matter what, no matter how much I'm howling, whatever is going on in my mind, she's there. Yeah.
But
I think
it's the
that's our
same
favorite
thing.
support.
No, it really is the same thing because for me, I don't actually like to tell people that show people that I have feelings.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm like, dominating. no feelings, whatever.
It is a nariyal, but yeah.
Yeah, but like in the sense that I'm always like making jokes, making people laugh, and making sure that they have a good time. That I don't like to show any vulnerability, so I'm very careful of that.
She's a softie, by the way.
And I don't spread.
But
rumors.
everybody don't.
She's trying so hard.
Don't tell this to people.
Don't go on the exterior.
Don't tell this to people. No, but there are very few people who've seen me crumble, and she really has been one of them. And we have like a template also. We'll break down.
Then we laugh.
Then we'll talk about the same shit, and then say, no, I have worse shit. And then she's like, no, but you are this. And then she's like, no, but you are this. I'm like, you are so nice. And you are so this. Hey, yeah, we are so nice. So it ends like that. There's a template, a standard template.
Yeah, which usually ends in hyping.
Yeah. Always ends in hyping, and then, arey, hola yaar.
Yeah, fine.
This
Do
year.
ourselves.
This year. And we say this lie every year.
This year is going to be your year.
This year is going to be your year. This year is going to be our year. This year, matlab, macha denge, dhoom macha denge, all that. Every year we've been saying this for the past 9 years. Every year. Not 1 year has it been our year.
But honestly, this level of delusion is required to carry on.
Yeah. You
and
need the
this level
delulu.
of- This level of support and delusion
But,
is also
Sabha,
required.
can I tell you? This year. This year will be our year. I'm telling you.
But
Yeah.
I feel it's so rare to see these female friendships in the industry, right?
No, it's not that.
Let's just
Yeah.
pause you right there.
Yeah.
I think there are many female friendships in this industry.
They're not
There-
shown or
There are
portrayed.
many,
Correct.
many women who love each other, who support each other. And I think this is something we need to stop saying now. I think it is unfair. Women support each other. Women are there for each other.
And
Way
now at
more
least,
than men are for each other. I'm
and
sorry.
so
Absolutely.
fulfilling. Some of my, most of my relationships and friendships, including my new friendships that have happened, like literally this year have been women in the industry.
I'll go as far
And
as
it's
to
so
say that
embarrassing.
women can be friends. I'm not sure if men can be friends.
so.
Because men do not come from vulnerability.
And they never share anything.
And they don't share anything.
Like even the guys, I feel like are talking to their girlfriends.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're
There's
not
no
talking to
safe
other
space for
guys.
men to also turn, right? They also
It's
talk
unfair to
chicks.
them also because they're also, it's not been comfortable for them to be able to share with another
Yeah,
guy.
to open up.
Because
Yeah.
the guy also is going to feel awkward because the system's set up in a way where they don't talk about feelings.
And I think this is also this also serves patriarchy to say
It
that
does.
women are not friends with women. I'm sorry, you are pitting women against each other. You're pitting women against each other in a way where they have to fight. Fight for something.
They say that line, औरत ही औरत की something.
दुश्मन होती है.
Absolute bullshit.
That's wrong, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, from whatever I have seen, it's been 17 years, I find that men are the ones with the larger egos. They're the ones actually silently cutting into fragile egos. They're also cutting into each other's work. They're doing all sorts of nasty things to each other, but they're saying, औरत की दोस्त नहीं हो सकती. I'm sorry, women got strong bonds. And I think this is a stereotype we need to break now. We need to stop saying women cannot be friends. And that in this industry, women cannot be friends. Not true.
Not true at all.
Yeah.
Yes, and we've established this with Sabha and Shreya today. Thank you so much.
God, thank you
Your
so much for
last
having
thoughts? What so many girls will be, obviously more girls will be watching this because
I hope so, but I
Yes.
hope dudes are also watching because you get,
yes,
Very nice to look at, guys. Come for the hours, stay for the education.
so to all the girls, what would you like to finally say?
Fail soon, fail often, fail better, fail loudly.
That's lovely. Yeah, exactly what Shay said. She said it.
The ending statement I gave, beach mein masala wo sab. She came. Last time we both completed samosa, just saying.
And I have something for both of you. Yes.
Look at this excitement.
Ah.
How coordinated are you guys? Can you
my favorite flower.
can you do that again,
I like
please?
peonies.
1, 2, 3.
I love this
So
flower.
sunflowers for both.
It's actually my favorite flower.
Yeah,
I really
I'm so
love it.
glad.
I like it, but mine's peonies for the future
I think
dudes.
So cute. Thank you so much once again for being on the
you.
show.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.